Hi guys, welcome to my channel. It's your girl Angela. Thank you all for clicking on my video. Today I will be doing a clean with me video. I only will be doing only 2 rooms today. I'll be doing my living room and my bedroom. So yeah, the things that I like to do when I'm cleaning, I like to listen to my music. So whatever it is you all like to do when you cleaning, please leave it down in the comment section down below. You can be listening to music. If you like to watch TV, or you like to listen to audiobooks, whatever it is, just let your girl know. But for me, I like to listen to music. Well, I'm not gonna hold you all too long. I also have a schedule on when I will be dropping videos. The only time I will be dropping videos is on like a weekend, and that's it. Monday through Thursday is not really because I work, so I don't see myself dropping the videos on those days. So please don't look forward to try to see any videos on those days. I'm sorry to tell you, but please, those that are that has not subscribed to this channel and is watching my video right now, you're watching me right now, you haven't subscribed, please do so right now. Please do so. I promise you will not regret this. Join my team, and let's build this channel together. I want a lot of supporters to follow me. I love you all so much. God bless you all. I want to get to 100 subscribers. That way I can do my first giveaway, y'all. Remember, I said 100 subscribers, I will do my first giveaway. So please subscribe. Tell your mama. Tell you, I don't have to do the whole list again like last time. But please go out and share my videos with everyone. Support me. I have a few people that support me so well. Her name, 2 people. Well, yeah, 2 people that I really know that actually is out there supporting me is my sister, my twin sister, and also Brede. Thank you too so much for the support. Continue to support me and share my videos and get everyone to my channel, and to please subscribe, y'all. Please subscribe. Please give this video right here a thumbs up. Also press that notification bell, that way you can be notified when I'm dropping more videos. Well, let's get straight to this video right now. Tomorrow we'll be dropping another video. Tomorrow it'll be a fun day with my twin sister, my mom, and my older niece. We will be doing a little fun things tomorrow, but I will post a video of that tomorrow. So let's get straight to this video today. Thank you, and also please don't forget to subscribe. Love you all. God bless. Hey guys, I'm sorry about that. My battery died on me. I was cleaning and then I was going to show y'all something and like a product or whatever, and I noticed that my camera died on me. So I was like, oh Lord. But I'm so sorry about that. I apologize. I had to charge my battery up. While my battery was charging, I actually finished cleaning up my living room and my bedroom. So I will show y'all the finishing touches of those two rooms. I also cleaned my bathroom. I don't know if y'all want to see that, but I will, you know, give y'all a glimpse of it or whatever. But I will do a video, a separate video of my deep cleaning of how I clean up my bathroom. Sorry, excuse me. How I clean up my bathroom and stuff. So, again, I'm so sorry, y'all. I'm so sorry. I was like, oh, Lord. I was like, oh, my God, oh, my God, oh, my God. But, you know, I got through it. Thank God. Again, I'm gonna show y'all, you know, everything, you know, what I finished or whatever. But I really appreciate y'all tuning into my video. Thank you all for subscribing. For those that subscribe, thank you for subscribing to my channel. I hope that y'all continue to share my videos with other people. That way I can get more followers. and get more subscribers to my channel. Also, please comment down below on what y'all want to see in other videos to come. I would love to hear y'all feedback on this video as well. Also, can y'all please just give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for those that has not subscribed. I know you watching this video, so please subscribe. What you waiting on? Subscribe to my channel. You know, subscribe. And also give it a thumbs up. Also hit that notification bell. That way you can be notified when I'm dropping more videos. Well, this girl is about to turn in. I'm tired. I'm about to get showered up and just lay down, watch some TV. But I hope you all have a blessed night. I know I am. Well, God bless you all. Much love. Peace.